Changing your profile picture on Robinhood is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account overview. Step 3. Access profile settings. Look for the Settings or Profile option, which may be represented by a gear icon or labeled as Settings. Tap on it to enter your profile settings. Step 4. Select Change Profile Picture. In the Profile Settings menu, find the option to change your profile picture. This may be labeled as Edit Profile or Change Picture. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Upload a new picture. Choose a new picture from your device's gallery or take a new photo. Follow the prompts to adjust and save your new profile picture. Once you have completed these steps, your profile picture will be updated. Enjoy your new look on Robinhood.